My name's Johnny Dale. We're at Bannerman Allotments. This is my allotment behind me. Started this a few weeks ago by planting potatoes first, and then I went on to plant more sort of flowers round about. It was quite funny how this happened, because the names went into a hat. There was 13 people for it, so luckily mine came out. I'm dead excited about planting more veg, and I think it's very good to be outside and therapeutic, and to be your hands in the earth. I should wear gloves, but I liked my hands in the earth because you like to feel the warmth of this, as the soil warms from May onwards. It's a good therapeutic feeling. It was a kind of grassy sort of mess when I first got it. I was kind of running about, rushing about to try and get my potatoes in because I was running late. So I've not really done them in a kind of row like everybody else has. I see them, some of them are popping up. So far it's good news. Come on you. Anyway, this is the potatoes, earlies I put in, so just starting to come up. It's been so dry these last few weeks, so they're a bit slow, but once they get going, they'll prop up really fast and produce lots of lovely potatoes. These are the chives. They're really good. You know, they give off a kind of oniony smell. I kind of like to plant them to try and deter the slugs, you know, from hanging about. So I've just put them in, so they're kind of not very happy with me. Oh, why are you putting me in here? Oh God! But they've came on. I've given them lots of water because it's been dry. This is them in full, but they make a huge big bunch. They're really great. I really like them. They're so colourful. So this is red currant, actually called Chives. I really like them. They give a good crop of red currants. I like to massage them with love, so you don't just yank the whole currant bush out. Don't pull, because you're pulling the whole root apart. It's good to just massage them round, all the way round, and then out like this. And then before you plant, make sure these roots are not going in the way. Try and tie some of them out. And plant the same depth as the pot. Not any, you know, the hole must be the same depth as the pot, up to the line. Don't plant any deeper or any shallower. You could cause rock, you know, and if you plant too deep, you could smother and air pockets in the soil can get trapped. Good luck. Lots of love. See what I mean by my hands in the soil? That's fine, it's nice and sturdy. Thanks for tuning in to Clydesider TV. This is only the start of the growing revolution. It's so good to do this, and this is only the start of an incredible journey. Many of these other plots have took years. It's not about short term and doing it quick. It's about thinking about the long-term benefits. And all of this is not just for me, it's for the whole community. Everybody can share. Like and subscribe to Clydesider TV. It's an amazing space, and it's really thriving and got lots of content coming up.